Industry research estimated that the window blinds industry is going to reach the growth rate of 7.6% every year from 2022 to 2030. With the acceleration of the window blinds industry, it's time for all the retailers, manufacturers, and large enterprises to get into action. Now replace your manual data entry into multiple applications with an all-in-one BlindMatrix software, which is exclusively designed for the window blinds industry. This will reduce a huge amount of time as you do everything under one built-in platform. The BlindMatrix software can save you approximately 45 minutes of time on each job. Let us show you how. By integrating the web enquiry form into the BlindMatrix software, you'll save up to 2 minutes without the need of entering the customer information manually into your system. Creating an appointment for the customer within the BlindMatrix software will save you up to 3 minutes by avoiding the entry of the same customer information into your calendar application. The product catalogues are integrated with BlindMatrix, so it easily generates prices and saves up to 15 minutes instead of referring to supplier price books. In BlindMatrix, generate quotations with the click of a button and save up to 5 minutes by eliminating manual quotation writing. Send purchase orders via EDI with a click of a button and save up to 5 minutes by preventing manual entry of orders into the supplier's portal. Generate work orders and manufacturing labels with all calculations and allowances with the click of a button. You can save up to 5 minutes by eliminating the product entry into Excel spreadsheets to generate the required calculations. Integrate the accounting software into BlindMatrix and save up to 5 minutes by eliminating the order entry into the accounting software. With BlindMatrix's automated emails and text messages, you can save up to 5 minutes of making multiple calls or emails informing each customer about their order status. So on average, if you get 300 jobs in a month, you'll save up to 225 hours of administration time. Moreover, the BlindMatrix software has got a powerful stock management module to provide visibility on the stock availability and the raw materials. It also generates the bill of materials to manufacture each product. Fabric Optimizer reduces the wastage of fabric. The BlindMatrix CRM provides you the visibility with dynamic visual dashboards for all your jobs and helps you manage your deadlines effectively. Since 2002, the BlindMatrix software has been focusing to save up to 70% of your administration time and eliminate human errors. To learn more about how BlindMatrix can help your business, contact us at sales@blindmatrix.com.